Hey, how's it going, Chris Cuthbertson? Do you got your little home set up here? Set up? I'm here, you're there. You got it set up yet? I've got some foam here on the walls. I've got a blanket on the door. And just check it out to see how this Rode NT1-a sounds going through my H6. And maybe you can let me know what kind of interface you got there, and we'll see how it sounds. This foam should work nicely. And, if you're wondering why I'm wearing a hat, I realized when I'm inside this little booth I've built that it's pretty dead. It's pretty dead sound. The problem is if I don't wear a hat, I've got a big forehead. I know, Chris, you've got a big forehead. George Green has a big forehead. It sounds different. I think it's a reflection off my forehead. So, for example, when I lift this up, you can hear that it totally sounds different and maybe a little echoey. Hello? Hello? Hear that? And then pull it down, it totally goes away. So that's why I'd rather not have to wear a hat, because it's kind of warm in here. Anyways, maybe you can compare my setup here, Chris, to your Halo. I think you have a Halo at home, so you can try that for you do your voiceovers there for Bright Space training and whatnot. Try the Halo out and see how it sounds. Anyways, I'm going to read a little script here, but I know folks are trying to set up a little studio at home. And you just need some foam or blankets, things like that. Try to get somewhere quiet. And I use a large diaphragm Rode NT1-a. And down below here, I've got a little interface. It's a Zoom H6. Works nicely. I got another older microphone that I could probably loan to somebody with a little Zoom H4. And that might sound pretty good as well. So anyways, try your little home setup. I got a script here somewhere that I'm supposed to do something with. I'll find it in a second, and I'm just going to play around first and see what kind of how it sounds, and I'll put it on my computer and try my what do I got? I got Audition that I can use for doing trimming, and you can get Audacity, for free, and you can try that on your computer for doing your trimming as well. All right, hey Chris, do a little video on your Halo. And let us know how that works out. All right, buddy. Talk to you soon. We'll try some stuff here. Previously on AMC's The Walking Dead. The number you have called is not in service. Please hang up and try your call again.